Hello everyone, welcome to Oliveboard. In this video we will be learning 5 new words of the day. So this is the daily vocabulary booster through which we are helping you in improving your vocabulary. So we pick up 5 new words of the day from the Hindu editorial and we discuss their meaning, their synonyms as well as how we can use them. Before we start with the video, don't forget to take up a free mock test for any bank or government examination that you are preparing for by clicking on the link given to you in the description box. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. We start with the first term, which is called backlash. Now, backlash is a strong negative reaction by a large number of people, especially to a social or political development. That means people do not accept if the government is doing something. It can be something which is social or political in terms of development. So the synonyms are adverse reaction or response, counteraction, counterblast, comeback or recoil. So the usage is the government is facing an angry backlash from voters over the new tax system. So the new tax system that the government has bought is giving or for the same the government is getting negative reaction from a large number of people. The next term is conducive. Now, conducive is making a certain situation or outcome likely or possible. That is, we try everything to make whatever our goal is to come true or to achieve that particular goal. So, the synonyms are favorable, beneficial, valuable, advantageous or opportune. Okay, the usage is the declining number of available positions are conducive for the highest unemployment rate in decades. So that means due to less job availability, we will have a very high number of unemployment. So because of a certain situation, we say that this will have a certain outcome. That's how we relate two terms. The next term is intransigent. Now, intransigent is unwilling or refusing to change one's views or to agree about something. That means even though we try, we cannot really ask someone to agree to what we are saying. So someone is unwilling to agree to our views. That means uncompromising or inflexible or unbendable, unyielding or unwavering. So these are all the synonyms for intransigent. The usage is her father had tried persuasion but she was intransigent in her decision. So even though a girl's father was trying to impose his views on her, she was really particular about her own view and she decided to go her own way. The next term is sanction. So now the sanction means a threatened penalty for disobeying a law or rule. So if we break a law, we get a penalty. Okay, that is nothing but sanction. So the synonyms are penalty, punishment and deterrent. Another meaning of sanction is to give official permission or approval for an action. That means we are giving approval for you to do something. So the synonyms for that are authorize, consent to, permit or allow. That means we go to our parents and we ask them permission to go for a trip and they sanction that or they allow that. Okay, the usage is the scheme was sanctioned by the court. That means the scheme was approved by the court of law. And the last term for today is shrill. Now, shrill is something which is high-pitched or piercing, high or sharp or ear piercing. So the usage is a piercing whistle shrilled through the night air. That means very high-pitched volume thrilled or came through the night air. So those were the 5 new words that we learned today. You can learn more new words by clicking on the link given to you in the description box. I hope you like the video. Do share it with your friends and help them improve their vocabulary. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thank you.